Good thing it's not like a one take, no edits. Although it should be, because this is supposed to go up in 30 minutes and it's not going to because we're still recording. What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica and today's video is going to be the Allure Beauty Box unboxing. We're not going to do a try-on because I just did this face with the BoxyCharm try-on. That's going to be actually Saturday. So stay tuned for that video. So a little bit about I almost called you BoxyCharm. A little bit about this Allure Beauty Box. It is a $15 monthly subscription and I believe you get 5 sample size items and occasionally a full size. It could also be like 5 to 6 sample-ish size items. But let's just get on into it. Does anybody else get that you put on like foundation and like your face just itches? Or is it just me? Anyways, so let's get on into this little box. So as we get on into this, if you guys are enjoying while you're watching, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that little notification bell. Yeah, little notification bell. I upload new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So first it comes with a little cute magazine. And then it tells you the items that are inside as well as the prices. Occasionally, it'll be you could have got like this instead of this or this or this. So you gotta kind of double check to make sure you don't think that you got, you didn't get an item, I mean. Okay, so first in here, we have by Botanic Beauty. It's a butter lip and cheek balm. You have a shade on you? No? How do I open you? So this is where I'm in a dilemma because I really don't think I'm actually going to use this, and it's in a nice seal, like it's sealed all the way around. So I think I'm going to set this aside and put it in just, I don't know, a giveaway or something, or give it to a family, friend, something, because I really don't, I'm not going to use it. I already know it, I'm just not. Next we have, this has to be full size, maybe. It feels hefty, but this is from Ocean Cleanser? I lied, you were not full size. You were deceiving. But it's in like a little frosted glass, and it says massage onto damp skin, rinse with warm water, use it morning and night, and it's good for normal, dry, and combination skin. Cleansing gels removes excess oil and surface impurities, provide a mineral rich hydration, and it removes makeup. I would hope that you would remove makeup if that's what your claims are. Oh, yo. What are you? Like the scent? Algae, maybe? Because that's the second ingredient, is an algae extract, so maybe that's what we're smelling. But it's also got jasmine officinale. We'll see how you work. You're actually a pretty good guy. Pretty good guy. Good thing it's not like a one take, no edits. Although it should be, because this is supposed to go up in 30 minutes and it's not going to because we're still recording. Anyways, next we have from Sunday Riley. This is the Ice Crematide Moisturizing Cream. Why am I smelling everything? Why? I do this every single video. I smell everything. But it does have a good smell. It almost smells like a fruit candy, like gummies, like fruit, what are they called? Like fruit snacks. Maybe I'm just hungry. I don't know if I tried this. I may have, may not have. I don't know. I've tried so many little samples, I don't know anymore. kind of bad. Oh, I was just talking about them. This is Peach and Lily. This is a Glass Skin Refining Serum. It's got peach extract and peptide complex. Glassy, transparent, poreless skin is achieved when skin is well hydrated and without inflammation and free of radical damage. A revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, wild yam, oh geez, made casode, peptides, and hyaluronic acid to help and hyaluronic acid help to hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm skin. Crystal clear glass skin is yours. Well, I'm excited to give you a try. Now it almost makes me wish I was doing a try, and I want to try you. But we just did this. It's going to be a very short video. Oh, it's got 8 little patches in here. This is from Avarelli. It's a acne cover patch, and it looks like we got 8 little patches in here. That's exciting. Yay! I'm actually not breaking out, so I don't know when I'll have to use this. Hopefully not for a while, but I am glad to have it. And then lastly, because then we got our little red paper. So this video, you guys, was also supposed to be a Birchbox unboxing, but I lost my footage. Like, it's gone. I don't know what I did with it. So you're getting Allure. Anyways, last thing in this box is a charcoal pore care mask. That's all it says on here is a charcoal pore care. I mean, I had to flip it over to know. Can you see it? Oh, we might be too exposed. We are too exposed. But it's a mask. Oh, you can see them. You can see them little ladies right there. So it looks like we just got one little mask. It's a Lactose Daily Skin Mask Charcoal. Charcoal sheet mask with fine charcoal powder, detoxifies and tightens pores. Okay. I'm not one for face masks, but I am pretty happy to have something else new to try. Alright, so let's go in our little book here. So the first item in our box, the Peach and Lily. If you were to buy this full size, it would cost you $39. And full size of our OC Ocean Cleanser. Okay. It is, oh, don't do that. So if you were to buy this guy full size, it would be $48. Where did I put our lip balm? Oh, there it is. If you were to get the Botanic Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm, it would be $16, which you might actually be full size. I'm almost positive you are full size. You look the same as, like, on this, so. And our Sunday Riley cream, full size of this, which would be 50 grams, and this is only probably like 0.5, maybe 0, I don't know. Full size of this guy would be $65. And he's tiny. Oh no. And sorry, you just sold individually? So is this technically full size? It must be. But it's $3. So this is the only thing I'm not too, I mean, it's a good find, it's a good received item. It is a good item to get in your box if you're gonna get use out of it. I just know myself, and I don't particularly like lip and cheek balms. Not for me. It's just not. But anyways, so that's gonna get passed on to somebody who will actually get use and enjoyment out of you. I don't know where to actually set you. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you on Saturday. Bye. Can you not purr so loudly? I love you. Thank you. What'd you do? What'd you do? I think I have the full size of this guy. Have I tried it? Maybe. Have I? Yes. Have I? No, I have not tried this. I think, okay, anyways, let's start that over. Okay, so, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Wait, what? I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you in Saturday.